The rest is up to me.
It's your boy Baba.
The kid in the building.
Okay, we got TLC, and we got a classic.
Waterfall. I'm still recovering from Red Light District now. Or what's it called? Red Light Special?
Look at you, Red Light District. Look at where your mind's at. You nasty.
Hey, we need a good waterfall wash after that one now.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn those post notifications also you get notified every time we drop a video. How many likes?
200 likes.
200 likes. We'll do more TLC. Also put in the comments what the TLC you guys want us to react to.
Let's do it.
Hey, walking on water?
Hey.
Man, you know how many women, kids, girls wanted to be these people?
Man.
I know they were running stuff back then.
Give me the face.
Yep. Yep. Alright, damn. Leave. I'm listening. She's trying to tell him to
You
stop.
about to smoke something.
She's trying to tell him to stop. Don't do it.
Smoke too. It's too many people over there now. Oh, he's selling dope.
Get that cat.
Yeah. That's what he should have listened to his mom now.
She playing football?
That's the swag, man. Leslie got that swag. Loki, my favorite, even though she always say that to me. What's his problem? He had that boy in the headlock.
He ain't going nowhere. Oh.
He finna die too? He got a mean clap.
Chill, bro.
How they gonna kill him out?
Chill.
You see his health. See? All right.
Sex.
He got the clap. You see, he didn't wrap up. That's what happened. Chasing waterfalls. That's all her bodies. Just now.
She nasty, bro.
See? Don't chase that waterfall now.
Nope.
That's her. That's what she was doing. She chased the waterfall.
Stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to.
Thank you.
Yep.
But too many storms have come and gone, leaving a trace of not one God.
Used to be.
Is it because my life is 10 shades of gray? I pray all 10 fade away, seldom praise him for the sudden grace. And like his promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I blew to bring my life to an end. Clear blue and unconditional skies have dried the tears from my eyes, no more lonely cries. My only leading hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the boring.
Okay.
Who's to blame for two and gain into your own vein? What a shame you shoot and aim for someone else's brain. You claim the insane and aim to stay in time for falling prey to crime. I say the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations and hopes are coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me.
Hey, that's the real Lisa.
Chill.
The real Lisa.
Chill.
Why she ain't died? Oh, okay. I'm about to say now. It was her fault to begin with.
Man, you just want everybody to die, huh?
No, because now she gave it to him. Come on now.
Is only fair?
Fair is fair.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn those post notifications on so you get notified every time we drop a video. How many likes again?
200 likes.
200 likes. We'll do more TLC. Also put in the comments what TLC you guys want to react to.
That was ripping it just now, wasn't it?
10 shades of gray. You know, that guy yesterday.